Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to make stickers on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Photos app. Now from here, just select a photo from your gallery app. For an example, I will select this photo. Now to create a sticker, just tap and hold on the object which you want to create a sticker of. Now for an example, I will tap and hold on the car image. Now from this pop-up menu, just select Add Sticker. Now, as you can see, we have successfully created a sticker of the image of this car. And you can do the same with any image on your iPhone. Now, for example, if I select this image, you can select Add Sticker. Now, to use the sticker, just go to your home screen and open the Messages app. Now, from here, you can use the stickers by opening a contact, then tap on the emoji icon on your keyboard. And from here, just open the stickers section. Now, as you can see, these are the stickers which we have created. And you can also edit the stickers from here. Now, if you tap and hold on the stickers, now from this menu, just select Add Effect. And from here, you can apply effects to your sticker. You can apply white borders. You can create the art style. And you can also make it shiny. Just like that. And this is how you can make stickers on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.